switch on the recording. Right, okay. So today we're going to discuss about the rest of the part that we discussed in yesterday, right? I think most of you have practiced that we discussed in yesterday class. I think it's better to start the session, right? There are 46 students are there. ඔගොල්ලන්ට වහිනවද? Connection ප්‍රශ්නද? කට්ටිය අඩු මොකද? Otherwise there are around 60 students are there නේ. 60ක් 65ක්වත් ඉන්නවා. Word is easyද? ඒකද කට්ටිය නැත්තේ? Word එක මේකට කලින් වැඩ කරලා තියෙන කට්ටිය ෂොට්ටක් raise hand කරන්න. Please raise hand who worked with the word previously. Okay, one is there. 2, 3. 4 students, 5. 6 are there. Okay, it doesn't matter, right? From this diploma, we're going to teach you in detail about the word package, right? So, still we are in the starting step, right? So, that's why we're going to discuss about the basic things regarding the word package, right? And the 2016 version, right? So, let's discuss about the rest of the part that we covered in yesterday, right? So, now, I think you all are switch on your machine, right? As previously, right? Please switch on your machine, right? And then you can do the things with me, right? Okay, so let's open the word. I will share my full screen with you guys. Right. Simply, you can open a Word document, right? You can click on the desktop icon as well as you can search on the search bar. If you recently open the Word package, then you can see the recently opened document will provide you to quick access to the Word document, right? With the support of that feature, I am going to navigate to my Word document, right? So here I'm going to open a blank document. Then I will get a couple of paragraphs while typing rand. And then open and close bracket, press enter. Right, okay. Now I am having a document, right? So still I didn't save my document, right? If I want to open my previously saved one, that means yesterday we did something with the document, right? And we saved that one. If I want to open that document, how I can, what is the process that I should follow, right? There can be so many processes are there, right? The simple or the shortest path is you can press Ctrl O in your keyboard. Simply you can navigate to the open option which is available under the file tab. හරි දැන් මම දැන් කරේ අලුතෙන්ම Word document එකක් open කරපු එක right ඔයාලා කාට හරි ඕනනම් කලින් දවසේ open කරපු Word document එක open කරගන්න ඔයාලට හරි ලේසියෙන් පුළුවන් Word document එක open කරලා simply you can press Ctrl O Control එකයි O එකයි කියලා කියන්නේ short key එක right මම මෙතන ලියන short key එක මේ short keys මතක තියාගන්න අනිවාර්යෙන් right මේ දේවල් exam එකේ අහන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා please keep in mind these shortcuts right okay Control O right I'm going to press Control O to simply open a previously saved document okay then what is the short key to save a document Short key. It's control.
Control.
Yes, control S. Right. If I want to do undo option, right? What is the short key?
Control Z.
Yes, control is Z. Right. Then if I want to copy something. Copy කරන්න ඕන වුණොත් මොකද short key එක?
Control C.
Control C. Right. If I want to paste something that previously copied thing and
Control
then
V.
yes, control V. CTRL plus V. Right. So these are the basic components. So the basic short keys that you should aware, right? Rather than these things, there are so many short keys are available, right? Once you move into one by one, this command under the ribbon, you can find what are the short keys that you can use to do the about task, right? Okay, so let's move into the previously create document. Okay, then I will simply press Control O. That means I will navigate to the, I'm in the drawing option in the Zoom, right? Okay, now I can move. Right, simply I can press Control O to move into the open function under the file tab, right? Then I can see recently closed documents, right? Today I have opened doc 1, that means this one, right? And then DB orientation program, right? So then this is the previously created document, right? So I will open that one, right? This is the previously created document in yesterday, right? So likewise, you can open your own document once you pressing Control O as the short key, right? Okay, so then let's move to the tutorial, right? Changing Windows views, right? You know, there are 5 VV modes are available in the Windows or the Word document, right? So under the View tab, yesterday you learned about 5 type of VV modes, right? One is read mode, second one is print layout mode, right? And the other one is web layout, right? Other one is another. Any types දෙක මොකක්ද මතකද? Right? Simply you can move into the view option, right? අපි සාමාන්‍ය normally use කරන ටික තමයි මෙන්න මේ status bar එකේ quickly access දීලා තියෙන්නේ. Other two is outline and draft, right? Likewise, today now we going to learn about the window options that available under the view tab in your ribbon, right? දැන් අපි ඊයේ කතා කරා views කියන group එක ගැන කතා කරා view tab එකේ, right? ඊළඟට අපි ඊයේ කතා කරේ අන්තිමට zoom කියන group එකේ තියෙන commands ටික ගැන, right? Now we going to discuss about the window group under the view tab, right? ribbon එකේ ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ view tab එක යටතේ තියෙන window කියන group එකේ facilities ටික ගැන identify කරගන්න තමයි යන්නේ. Okay, let's see one by one. The new window button open a new window display in the current document. This window show the document name in the title bar followed by the number 2, right? Each new window you open the same document receives a sequentially numbered name. This feature enable you to work in different places in your document, right? That means this feature, that means new window option, going to create a same document of your current document. And also it's going to display the title as the sequential number, right? With the previously saved name. Clear? Let's try. Okay. So once I move into this document, you can see my title bar is appears doc test 01, right? So I will close this document. Right. Now I am having only one Word document, right? So then I am going to try with the new window option, right? If I click on this icon, what happened? බලන්න click කළා මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා? if you don't know about this option, right, at once you can't identify what happened, right? Okay, come back to the taskbar and keep your cursor on your Word document. You can see you are having same document, same two documents, right? And also there is a difference in the title bar, right? You can see first one is keep as the previously created name, renaming, adding one, and then newly created window show as the two, right? Okay, please. Right, okay. So comments දෙකක් ඇවිත් තියෙනවානේ. right, මෙන්න මෙතන doc test 1 කියන තැන මේ තමයි අපි previously add කරපු නම. right, මේ තමයි අපි අලුතෙන් window එකක් ගත්තට පස්සේ අලුතෙන් add වෙලා තියෙන number එක. ඒක තමයි අපි මේ note එකේදී explain කරේ. right, ඔයාලට මතක ඇති. මේ note එකේදී අපි explain කරා. right, new window display in the current document. Right, this window shows the document name in the title bar followed by the number 2. Right, අපි පළවෙනියටම තිබ්බන window එක 1 කියලා automatically rename කරගන්නවා. අපි ඊළඟට open කරපු අලුත් window එක 2 කියලා rename කරනවා. ඔය විදිහට අපි new windows කීපයක් open කරගත්තත් එයා sequential number range එකක් තමයි යට දෙන්නේ 1 2 3 4 5 likewise it's going to rename or change the title bar. Right, okay. So let's see. If you click on this, again move into the view tab and you click on the again new window icon. You can see title bar going to be changed as the 3. And when you move your cursor to the taskbar, you can see 3 documents are open. Hari, පැහැදිලි නේද? ඒක තමයි මේ view එකේ new window option එකෙන් වෙන්නේ. Okay, so then let's move into this one. Next option. Right, okay. Device එකක් නැතිනම් right, මොකද කරන්නේ? ඔයගොල්ලෝ නේද online mode එක select කරගත්තේ පුතේ? එහෙම නේද? ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ selection එක base කරගෙන නේද මේ diploma එකේ physical සහ online group දෙක arrange උනේ? නැද්ද? exam එකෙන්ද? Okay, let's see. Right. So if you don't have currently any device, right, please try to find the device. So, right. So, okay, there is a small question. What is arrange all option? Right, let's see. Now you test with the new window option. Then other one, arrange all. You can see now you are having 3 different windows are available for the same document. Once you click on the arrange all option, what happens? Each and every windows going to be arranged as you open, right? ඔයාලා open කරපු හැම window එකකම view එක මෙන්න මේ විදිහට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් arrange කරලා. දැන් අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා බලන්න උනේ මෙන්න මේ විදිහටනේ task bar එක ළඟට ගියොත් ඔයාලට 3ක් පෙන්වුවා මේ විදිහට. හැබැයි අපි arrange all කියන option එක උඩ simply click කරලා මේ විදිහට 1 by 1 යන්නේ නැතුව අපිට පුළුවන් අපිට ඕන කරන කෙනා උඩ click කරලා open කරගන්න. ඒකට තමයි මේ view එකේ arrange all option එක තියෙන. ආයි මෙතන cursor එක move කරලා එතනින් ඔයාලට ඕනි එක select කරලා ඒ විදිහට process එක අරන් යන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Simply you can move into the view option. Then you can find the window group. Under that there is a command called arrange all. Right, once you click on the arrange all option, you can see each and every windows that you already open in the Office package or the Word Office package, right? So you can simply arrange all the windows like this. Clear? මට හිතෙනවා ප්‍රශ්න අහපු කෙනාට දැන් clear ඇති කියලා. Okay, so then let's move into the our arrange all option. We did the practical button display 2 or more windows on the screen at the same time. This is useful when comparing documents or when using information from multiple documents. So ඔයගොල්ලෝ document එකක් create කරනවා නම් different sources අරගෙන ඔයාලට හරි ලේසියෙන් පුළුවන් මේ feature එක පාවිච්චි කරලා navigate වෙන්න within the opened document, right? Opened කරලා තියෙන document අතර move වෙන්න. Right. Then split command, it's divide one document window into two windows that is scroll independently. This enable you to view two parts of a single document at the same time. Then let's see what happen if you click on the split option. Right. Okay. I will open this document. Right. So I will place my cursor here. Right. Then I will click on the split option. What happened? Right. Same document, you can split into two sections, right? This is the first one. You can scroll down this one. Also, once you move into this place, that one also you can scroll up and down, right? This is the split option, right? Same document you can divide into two parts, and also you can scroll down one by one. Clear? If you want to remove this split option, again you can click on this remove split option here. Right, that's the function provided by the split. Okay, then the view side by side. Right, this button enable you to view two documents next to each other. Right, then when you are viewing documents side by side, you can use the synchronous scrolling command to link the scrolling of the two documents so that you move through the both at the same time. Right, view side by side option. Right, let's move into the document. Right, here you can find view side by side option is enable. Simply you can click on that. Then what happened? Compare side by side with document 1. Right, O3. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් දැනට open කරලා තියෙන document වලින් now you are in the document 2, that is the current document, right? If you want to compare this document side by side, right, which one? You can select that one from this window, right? Then you can click on OK. Right? You can see this document test 1 is appear in this side and the document 1 appear in your right side, right? Simply you can move one by one like this, right? Side to side, you can see here. You can click on that one, or vertical, right? Side to side option, you can see it's provide page by page. And if you click on the vertical, you can see one page at a time, right? This option is available, right? Otherwise, while moving view and clicking on the slide by slide option, right? Rather than following that procedure, simply you can click on the Windows icon and you can click on the arrow key, right? Let's try with that one. Okay, I will close the icon. Right. So here you can see now I am having only two open document, right? I will again click on the new window option again, right? Okay, now I am having 3 Word documents, right? If you want to divide your screen into two display units. Right? Display units දෙකකට. දැන් අපිට පේන එක Word document එකක් විතරනේ. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට data ගන්න ඕනි Excel sheet එකකින් තව Word document. එහෙම නැත්නම් PDF එකක් දිහා බලාගෙන ඔයාලට Word එක edit කරන්න ඕනේ. එහෙම නැත්නම් දැනට open කරලා තියෙන Word documents වලින්ම තව data share කරගන්න ඕනි. That kind of situations, rather than going to the view option and clicking on the side by side view, simply you can press and use your keyboard, right? Find the icon with window mark key, right? Window mark එකත් එක්ක තියෙන key එක චුට්ටක් හොයාගන්න keyboard එකේ, right? හොයාගන්න තියෙන්නේ, right? Then press that one, right? එක press කරගෙනම click on the arrow mark, right? What happened? Did you get this kind of window or the screen? Arrow marks වලින් අර right hari left hari side දෙකේ arrow keys දෙකෙන් එකක් ඔයාලා press කරන්න. If you press the right side or the arrow key, you will get this kind of interface. If you press left side arrow key, right, you will get opposite interface from this one. I think you find the option. හොයාගත්තද? හරිද? Right, okay. Then you can select which interface you need to open in your left side, right, from these split windows, right? මේ split වෙලා තියෙන වගේ ඔයාලට මේ side එකේ open වෙන්න ඕනි document එක. ඔයාලට හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්, right? If I click on this PDF, right, you can see my PDF. I can scroll from here, right? Also, I can move with the Word document as well, right? I can do the editing, right? In this way, you can separate your window to show two documents at the same time, right? මෙන්න මේ feature එකම තමයි මේ view කියන category එක යටතේ tab windows එහෙම නැත්නම් windows කියන group එකකින් ඔයාලට provide කරන්න, right? තේරුණාද මෙතන මේ ටික? Right, to back to normal, you can click on the reset window position, right? And also choosing switch window button, you will enable you to select which document will be the active document, right? Likewise, the Windows option going to provide these features for you, right? Okay. So then, okay, then let's move into the new part, navigating and searching through a document. Okay, so navigating and searching through a document. Under the view tab, can you see the navigation pane? Right. Under the show group, you can see there is 3 options are available. One is ruler, other one is grid line, and the navigation pane. In my interface, only ruler get the tick mark and ruler is displaying in my screen. And if I click on again this tick mark, you can see ruler going to be removed, right, from this interface. If I want to add the ruler, again I can click on this square, right? And if I want to grid lines, I can click on this square by adding a tick mark, right? So likewise, you can get a grid lines in your pages. And if you want to add a navigation pane, you can simply click on the navigation pane icon. Likewise. Right, grid lines. Why we can use grid lines? I'll grid lines again they are only when. If you are going to use insert, under the insert option, you may having several options are there. Smart art, right? Likewise, and the shapes, right? If you're going to use several shapes, right, to create some image or some kind of that, you can use grid line to place your smart art or shapes in a specific position. ඔයාලට හරි position එක හොයාගන්න smart art add කරද්දි ඒ වගේ පොඩි පොඩි අවස්ථාවල් වල ඔයාලට පුළුවන් grid lines use කරන්න. Okay. That's why it's providing this feature. I will remove the grid lines. Then I will keep navigation pane. So navigation pane is going to help you to find the document headings or pages, right? If you click on the pages, you can see the pages in your document. If you click on the results, right, text, comments, pictures, and what word can find just about anything in your document. Okay, so under the pages, if you have several pages in your document, simply you can move one by one. මෙතනිනුත් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් හරි ලේසියෙන් page අතර move වෙන්න. If you click on the heading option, right, here in my document still don't have headings, so that's why this option is enabled. Right, මෙයා තාම headings පෙන්වන්න නැත්තේ මම document එකට headings add කරලා නැති නිසා. If you add headings with the support of this styles, right, it will appear under these headings. ඔයාගේ document එකට headings ඔයා add කරොත් අන්න ඒ ටික මෙන්න මේ headings යටතේ appear වෙනවා. Right. Right. Are you clear with up to this point? Right, please give me a minute. Right, okay. So then let's do some practical, right? If you want to check whether navigation pane going to find the headings in your document, right? Simply you can check that one in this moment, right? Please select a 2 or 3 words, right? If you want to place from this option to into the new line, you can simply keep the cursor there and click on the enter icon in your keyboard, right? ඔයාලට මේ විදිහට document එකේ පොඩි අලුත් line එකකට move කරගන්න ඕන නම් මේ document එක. අපෝ if you want to get back these words into this point, how you can do that? What is the shortest way? ඔයාලට ඕනි අපෝ දැන් මෙයා තිබ්බ විදිහට හදාගන්න. Rather than clicking on the control Z, what you can use? Simply, you can press on delete icon. Once you press on the delete, you will take again that new line into previous line. Right? අපෝ ඔයාලට මේ new line එකකට මෙයාව move කරගන්න ඕන නම් මේ words ටික එහෙම නැත්නම් මේ වචන ටික මේ පෙළියේ තියලා ඔයාලට මෙතනින් එහාට අලුත් line එකකට දාගන්න ඕන නම් you should keep your cursor here and then press the enter icon in your keyboard. Right, then you can take your sentence into one line or the paragraph into one line, right? Then if you want to make this as previous, right, simply you can press on the backspace, or if you place your cursor in this line, you can click on delete icon. right මේ option දෙක ඔයාලට use කරන්න පුළුවන් typing වලදී හරි ලේසියෙන් ඕනි වෙනවා ඔයාලා මේ විදිහට මේ තමයි කලින් තිබුණ විදිහ ඔයාලගේ document එක දැන් අපි කිව්වේ මෙන්න මේ way to help කියන තැනින් පහළට new line එකකට add කරගන්න කියලා right to do that you should keep your cursor in front of this word right then you should press enter right you can take your sentence into new line or your paragraph into new line right then මම ඊළඟට කිව්වේ මෙන්න මේ ආපහු තිබ්බ විදිහට හදා ගන්න ඕනි නම් right ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ cursor එක මෙන්න මේ ඉස්සරහින් අලුත් line එකේ වචන ඉස්සරහින් නම් තියලා තියෙන්නේ you can press backspace කියලා එකක් තියෙන icon එකක් එහෙම නැත්නම් key එකක් තියෙනවා keyboard එකේ simply you can press on backspace option right otherwise එහෙම නැත්නම් you can keep your cursor here in the front line පළවෙනි line එකේ cursor එක උඩින් තියන්න පුළුවන් තියලා then you can press delete icon or the delete key in your keyboard right likewise you can do these things right අපිට පුළුවන් backspace එකෙන් ඉස්සරහට අරන් යන්න ඒ වගේම space bar එකෙන් ඔයාලට space තියන්න පුළුවන් if you press right ඔයාලට ඕන නම් මෙන්න මේ පැත්තට අකුරු ටික මකාගෙන යන්න if you want to delete something to backward right you can click on or the press on delete icon එක උඩින් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් ඉස්සරහට තියෙන අකුරු ටික මකාගෙන යන්න right and then if you want to delete something in your left side you can simply click on backspace එකේ මේ විදිහට left side එකේව මකන්න පුළුවන් cursor එකෙන් left side එකේ තියෙනවා once you click on the delete icon you can delete something in your right side right or the cursor එකෙන් right side පැත්තේව තමයි delete එකෙන් press වෙන්නේ okay so then come back have you practiced those things okay I will repeat it again right if you want to move a sentence into new line right if I ask you to make video provides a powerful way right to help you prove your point right I keep it as a sentence and then take others into new paragraph if I ask you to do that one please keep your cursor in this point when right that's the point you should take into new paragraph then press enter right you can make first sentence as a topic and others into new paragraph if you want to do that right or if you want to undo that one rather than clicking on the control Z option you can press backspace or delete key in your keyboard right once if your cursor is in the front of the paragraph you can press on the backspace එහෙම වුණොත් ඔයාලගේ ආපහු තිබ්බ විදිහට move වෙනවා if you are placing your cursor in this point අර first line එකේ කෙලවර නම් ඔයාගේ cursor එක තියෙන්නේ simply you can press on delete to get back that newly added paragraph as the previous one clear ඔය තමයි backspace එකේ delete icon එක ඔයාලට කරන්න පුළුවන් වැඩේ right then other one right if you place your cursor here right cursor having two sides left and right side this side we called as left side this side we called as right side now your cursor is there right if you want to delete something at the left side in your cursor can left side එකේ මෙන්න මේ පැත්තේ තියෙනවා delete කරන්න ඕනි නම් simply you can click on backspace key in your keyboard මෙන්න මේ විදිහට press කරන්න පුළුවන් backspace key එක left side එකේ තියෙනවා delete කරන්න right okay then another one if you want to delete something at the right side in your cursor මෙන්න මේ cursor එකට දකුණු පැත්තේ තියෙනවා delete කරගන්න ඕන නම් simply you can click on delete icon or the delete key එකෙන් පුළුවන් right side එකේ තියෙනවා delete කරගන්න okay right then next one okay let's make first sentence as a topic right you can do that with myself. Then selecting options, right? Before doing or adding any formatting to your document or to your paragraph, right? First, you should select your specific words or paragraphs in your document, right? Or whole document. If you wish to add something into your whole document, or you are going to change the font style in your whole document, right? Then you should select all the document. If there are 100 pages, you should select each and every pages to make your font size as a new one, right? අලුත් font size එකක් විදිහට හදා ගන්න ඕන නම් ඔයා pages ඔක්කොම ටික select කරන්න ඕන, right? If you want to add some changes to one or two word, right? Definitely you should select that words before adding the features or before doing some formatting, right? That is must, right? Word document එකේ මොනවා හරි දෙයකට feature එකක් add කරන්න ඕන නම් ඔයා මුලින් මේ feature එක add කරන්න ඕනි කරන letters ටික හරි document එක හරි තනි වචනයක් හරි select කරන්න ඕන, right? There are so many selecting options are available. මෙන්න මේ විදිහට අකුරු ටික අඳුරු පාට වෙනවා අපි select කරපුවාම. After selecting, we can add several features into these words. අපිට පුළුවන් select කරාට පස්සේ මේ වචන වලට features එහෙම නැත්නම් අර formatting set කරන්න. Otherwise, they will not added to the specific words or document. Okay, so then let's try with several selecting options. I'm going to teach you about several selecting options. First thing is, you can use your mouse or touchpad. If you are using a laptop, you can use your touchpad to selecting some words or document. Otherwise, if you are using a mouse, you can use your mouse. Right? කොහොමද mouse එක use කරලා select කරන්නේ? If I ask you to select, video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. If I ask you to select that sentence, you can do simply keeping cursor at the front. You can drag. If you are using touchpad, you can drag it to last digit. අන්තිම digit එක වෙනකන් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මේව drag කරගෙන යන්න. Others who are using your mouse, keep your cursor here. Then press the left button in your mouse, right? While pressing the left button, you can drag into last point. Right? ඒ තමයි එක option එකක්. mouse එක සහ touchpad එක use කරලා. If you are placing your cursor here, right? මේ පැත්තේ නම් cursor එක තියෙන්නේ. අපි මේ පැත්තට drag කරන්න ඕනේ. ඉඳලා පුළුවන් select කරන්න. right? ඉස්සරහා ඉඳලාම select කරන් යන්න ඕනේ කියලා නීතියක් නැහැ. right? You can use both ways. Okay, then next one. The second one is, if I ask you to select one word, simply double click. Keep the cursor inside that word and double click on that. එක වචනයක් select කරගන්න ඕන නම් අර විදිහට cursor එකෙන් drag කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඒ අදාළ වචනයක උඩ මැද cursor එක place කරලා double click කරන්න. එතකොට පුළුවන් ඔයාලට තනි වචනයක් select කරගන්න. Then, if I ask you to select a sentence එකක් select කරන්න නම් simply triple click on your selection place, right? ඔයාලා select කරන්න ඕනැති තැන cursor එක triple click කරන්න. තුන් පාරක් mouse එකේ left button එක press කරන්න. If you are using a touchpad, තුන් පාරක් touch කරන්න ඔයාලගේ touchpad එක. Then you can select all sentence at once without dragging from starting point to end point. Clear? ඒ තමයි අනිත් විදිහ, right? If you want to select a paragraph, right? Here also you can triple click on your document. It will going to select whole paragraph. Paragraph එකකට sentence එකකට සම්පූර්ණයෙන් select කරගන්න ඕන නම් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් triple click එකක් දෙන්න. Then it's going to select the paragraph or a sentence. Okay, if you want to select a one word, simply keep the cursor at the middle of the word, then double click on that. It will going to select that specific one word, right? Then another one. If I ask you to select, then another option is, right? You can place, if I ask you to select this two paragraph. මෙන්න මේ paragraph දෙකම මම select කරන්න කියලා. when එකයි 2 එකෙන් පටන් ගන්න paragraph එකයි. The one thing is you can drag with the support of mouse or touchpad. keep කරලා මේ cursor එක front එකෙන් keep කරලා හරි end එකෙන් keep කරලා හරි ඔයාලට පුළුවන් drag කරන්න mouse එකෙන් හරි touchpad එකෙන් හරි. Other than that, you can place your cursor at the front and press your shift key in your keyboard. Keyboard එකේ shift key එක press කරගන්න. Then now you can use your mouse or touchpad to keep your cursor at the end point. Right. Select කරලා ඉවර කරගන්න ඕනි point එක ළඟ cursor එක place කරන්න. හරි ලේසියෙන් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් selection එකක් create කරගන්න. option ගොඩක් කියලා දුන්නා. Clearද? options ටික තේරුණාද? selection options ටික. Do I need to explain again? කටිය මොකෝ නිශ්ශබ්දලා ඉන්නවද? practical අමාරුද? virtual platform එකේදී? Is it okay? Selecting options? Have you all got the point? Okay. Right. If I ask you to select the whole document at once without doing dragging and drop, right? How you can do that? මම සම්පූර්ණ document එකම select කරගන්න කියනවා. If you are having 1000 of page document, is there someone giving answers? Right. If I ask you to select a whole document at once, how you can do that? Yes. Simply, you can press Ctrl A. Keyboard එකේ Ctrl key එකයි A එකයි press කරන්න. You will select whole document, right? සම්පූර්ණ document එකම මේ විදිහට select කරගන්න පුළුවන් Ctrl A කියන short key එකෙන්. Now you learn several short keys. Please keep them in mind, right? All select, yes. You can do all select while pressing Ctrl A. Right. Let's do some practical. Then to practical එකක් කරමු. Right. Before teaching about font functionalities, so the font facilities available under the home tab, right? In the font group එකේ ඔයාලට පේනවනේ function කීපයක් තියෙනවා, right? Font size එකට, font type එකට, right? B, I, U ඔය විදිහට options කීපයක් තියෙනවා. මෙන්න මේ section එක ගැන මම කතා කරන්නේ. Regarding this group, font group, right? I will give you some time, right? 5 or 10 minutes, right? You can change, right, or add some formatting to your document by using these options or these commands. Please click on one by one and see what happens once you add these features to your document, right? I think you all are ready to do that, right? Yesterday, Nafli sent me the document after doing the task that I have performed, right? So if you guys wish to do that, right, you also can send me your document through the chat. Chat එක හරහා ඔයාලට පුළුවන් document එක එවන්න. Once you apply some formatting to your document, right? Before going to teach about these things, please try with them. අහගෙන ඉඳලා කරනවට වඩා හොඳම දේ තමයි try කරලා බලන්න. මොකුත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. machine එක shut වෙන්නේ නැහැ, restart වෙන්නේ නැහැ. right? කලින් වැඩ කර කර තිබ්බව නැති වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේවට click කරා කියලා. right? Please click on this icon and see what happened to your document, right? And I hope you will create a beautiful document, right? ලස්සන document එකක් හදලා තියෙයි කියලා හිතනවා. font size වෙනස් කරලා, font styles ටික වෙනස් කරලා, colors set කරලා try with these steps and if you wish, right, ඔයගොල්ලෝ කැමති නම් you can send me your document to the chat. Okay, I will give you the 10 minutes of time to do that activity. Right, that is the comment. I ask you to Puta, right, to do some formatting to your document that you already created one. If you don't have machines, don't worry, right? So let's try with these icons after this given time period, right? So then I ask you to do some formattings to your created document with the support of this font group under the home tab. right, font group එකේ තියෙන options එක මෙන්න මේ document එක formatting ටික චුට්ටක් change කරන්න කියලා තමයි මම request කරේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. right, okay. ඔයාලගේ දැනට තියෙන document එකකට කරාට කමක් නැහැ පුතේ. right. හැබැයි එමයි කියලා කලින් edit කරපු එකක් chat එකට දාන්න එපා. right. Right, okay, I think I received some answers. This is the Anopaha. Right, this is your answer, Buddha. So it's very nice, right? Okay, give me a minute. Right, හරි. මේ තමයි ඔයාගේ answer එක පුතා. It's very nice, right? මේ ඇති. දැනට ඇති හොඳටම. මං කිව්වේ basic formattings ටික පාවිච්චි කරන්න කියලා. Okay, others screenshot එකක් ඇවිත් තියෙනවා. right, මේ කලින් හදපු word document එකත් මොකක්ද මේ දාලා තියෙන්නේ? Is it a previously created one? Or someone created and you send it? නෑනේ. Right, okay. So, thank you very much. You send me the answers. Let's move into the rest of the part regarding the today's session. Right. අපි basic formattings ටික තමයි කතා කරලේ. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ ටික තමයි මට කරන්න ඕනුනේ සහ ඔයාලගෙන් බලාපොරොත්තුනේ පොඩි part එකක්. right. අර මම කලින් පෙන්නපු document එකේ වගේ. right. I want to make this as a sentence. If I want to make this as a sentence, I can keep this fonts as the bold one, right? That to do that, I can use this B again. B is used to bold some letters. Short key is Control B, right? Short key is Control B to bold some letters. right? ඔය short keys ටික මතක තියාගන්න. අපිට පුළුවන් letters ටිකක් bold කරලා තියාගන්න. right? Okay, then if I want to make this as a unique one from other letters or characters, I can make it as italic. I can use this I icon to italic these letters, right? Short keys, Control I. If I press Control I again, let us again come back to the normal mode. If I press Control I again, then I can add italic option to these letters, right? So if I want to add the underline option, then here you can click on this underline icon, right? You can see this will appear as a topic, right? Here you can see the drop down icon is available with the underline option, right? Is there someone who try with that one? Simply click on this one. You will get several underline styles, right? Underline styles ගොඩක් තියෙනවා මේකේ, as well as you can change the underline color. Line color එක change කරන්න පුළුවන්, right? One by one, while moving one by one, you can change the color, right? So as well as you can use different styles. Likewise, as also you can change, right, the width of your icons as well. Color is there, right? Font color, and then underline options, right, is available for words. So then click on the OK option. You will add the underline option to this sentence as a topic. Okay, then now we use these three options and you know about the short keys as well. If I ask you to change the font style of this paragraph, simply you can move into the font style change option here. Click on the drop down icon. You will get the scroll bar, right? Since it's having several font styles with your Word package. So then you can select one of them as your preference, right? ඔයාලා හිතන විදියට ඔයාලට කැමති font style එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Then you can increase the font size. Likewise, right? Based on the content, you should change your font size in the sentence or the topic as well. You can increase font size by using this capital A icon, large capital A icon. You can see it's having two different A icons are there. One is large one, other one is small one. But once you click on the large icon, you can increase letters font sizes, right? Once you click on this small A, you can decrease the font size. Clear? Hari neda? Right. Then the other one. Come back to this one. You are having other option with capital A and the simple A. මොකද වෙන්නේ capital A එකයි simple A එකයි දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Right? Once you click on that, you will take a drop down list. It having 5 different options are available. One is sentence case, other one is lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word and toggle case. What happen if you click on sentence case? Sentence case එකට click කරාට පස්සේ ඔයාගේ sentence එක appear වෙන විදිහ තමයි මේ samples වල පෙන්නලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? Once you click on the sentence case, right? I think it will not going to change anything since already our sentence is in the sentence case. If I click on the lowercase, you can see we going to convert into simple, right? If I click on the uppercase option, all the letters we can convert into upper cases, right, at once. If I click on the capitalize each word option, right, you can see each and every word or the first letter will be converted into the capital. Then, if you click on the toggle case option, first letter going to be simple and the other letter going to be capital. And the second word, first letter going to be simple, others going to be capital. Likewise, toggle case going to be at X like this. Clear? මේ තමයි මේ capital A සහ simple A option එකෙන් වෙන්නේ. Its name is change case. Right? Change case option එකෙන් තමයි A functionalities ටික ඔයාලට දෙන්නේ. Right? ඔයාලට හරි ලේසියෙන් පුළුවන් topic එකක් capital කරන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් sentence case එකට හරව ගන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් lower case කරන්න. අපි ගොඩාක් වෙලාවට toggle case එක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. Right? Most of the time we are following sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, right? And capitalize each word option. These 4 options are using, but rarely we are using toggle case. Right? අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නැති තරම් toggle case option එක. So, right. I will give you 2 minutes to practice that one. Toggle case, change case option. You can practice that by yourself. මුද practice කරන්න ඉන්නවා. So I need to give some time to practice that one. Right. Practice these things. You can change the underline marks while clicking on this drop down icon, and you can increase and decrease using these 2 icons, and you can change the case. Right. Do these things. Right. Okay. So let's try with the others. Right. Then next one. If you want to add any feature or any format into the document, right, first you should select the appropriate text range, right? So then there is option called text effects and typography. Once you clicking on that, you can see there is several font styles are available, right? Once while clicking or selecting one of them, you can change text outline color, right? And then you can change the shadow, right? And you can see the change the reflection, and you can change the glowing, right? Likewise, you can add several features to your document text, right? ඔයාලගේ document එක ඔයාලා බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන විදිහට document එක change කරගන්න ඕන features ටික මේ විදිහට add කරලා තිනවා මේ icon එකට අනුව text effects කියන icon එකෙන් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් you can add several styles to your topics or the sentences. Then this one, text highlighter color, right? If you want to highlight some words from your document, right, simply you can select the word and then go to this highlight option. It's also having a drop down mark. Click on that. You can get several colors are there, right? You can use one of them to highlight your words, special words. Words tika highlight කරන්න පුළුවන්. Then text color option is available, right? මේ A අකුරට යටින් color theme එකක් දාලා තියෙන්නේ text color එක change කරන්න. Simply you can select the paragraph or the word, then go to this one, click on the drop down icon. You can select color from this provided list. Otherwise, you can go to the more color option. It will provide two options, standard and the custom. By using one of them, you can select colors for your data. Nice. So then, next part. These are the basic features that you can use under the home tab within the font group. Right? Font group එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන ටික තමයි අපි මේ තාම කතා කරේ. Right? Okay, then there is the other two options. Is subscript and superscript. What happened or what kind of situation you are using these two options, right? Okay, sometimes we need to convert H2O, right? අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් chemical වලදී නැත්නම් අපි chemistry වලදී use කරන මේ රසායනික සූත්‍ර, right? While typing this kind of letters, right? So you can use subscript. Like subscript option you can use. The short key is Control plus equal sign. Right? You should keep these two under the capital H. Right? Capital H එකේ bottom එකෙන් තමයි ඔයා මේ දෙක place කරන්න ඕනි H2O කියලා ලියනවා. To do that, you can select number 2 and click on this subscript icon. Right? Then otherwise, you can click on Control equal. Control එකයි equal එකයි කියන්නේ short key එක subscript එකට. Right. Then next one. If I ask you to keep 2 to the power 8, right? To place that one, 2 to the power 8, right? You should select the 8. Then you can click on the superscript. Superscript short key is Control-Shift+, right? Then you can take or keep 2 to the power 8 like this. අපි අදින් ලියනවා වගේ 2 to the power 8 කියලා මේ විදිහට තියන්න පුළුවන්. Superscript එකේ help එකත් එක්ක with the support of subscript you can keep these kind of situations like this, right? අපි රසායනික සූත්‍ර ලියන වෙලාවට, right? එහෙම නැත්නම් පාදයක් විදිහට ලියන්න ඕනි වෙන වෙලාවට අපිට පුළුවන් මේ subscript option එක පාවිච්චි කරන්න. right? බලයක් විදිහට ලියන්න වෙන අවස්ථාවල් වලට අපිට පුළුවන් subscript එක superscript එක පාවිච්චි කරන්න. මේ තමයි අන්තිමට ඉතුරු වුණු options දෙක. As well as there is another option called strict true option. Once you select a word and then you can cut it. right වචනයක් ඇඩ් කරලා අපිට ඒවා කපලා තියනවා කියලා පෙන්නලා අලුත් වචනේ ඇඩ් කරන්න වගේ අවස්ථාවක you can use this option, right? Okay, so is it clear up to this point? Let's try with the another one. Right. Now we move into do the another activity, finding and replace option. Right. To do that, under the home tab, you can see the option called find and replace. Right. At the top corner in your right side. Right. දකුණු පැත්තේ උඩම තියෙන option එක under home tab editing කියලා group එක. Under that group, you can see find, replace and select options are available. Once you click on the find option, right, what happened? You will take a navigation bar, right? Here, I have added already word, right? It's going to select or the find that word. You can see it's selecting, right? අපිට පුළුවන් මේ විදිහට යාව select කරලා බලන්න. You can move one by one while clicking on this arrow marks. Once you get the navigation pane, you can move one by one. It will going to provide or find word called document. Results also providing. It's going to find 5 type of words called document. You can change this word here. You can add make. I will add make as the word. It's going to select word called make. Only one word I can find within this document as make. Make කියලා තියෙන එක වචනය. Then I will going to change the word into page. Right. Then it's having 2 results. Only the first paragraph going to provide word called page. Page කියන වචනේ දෙපාරයි අපිට results එක විදිහට අවිත් තියෙන්නේ. මේ වචන දෙක බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right. Okay. Try that one. With the support of find option, you will take the navigation bar in your left side. Right. While adding words into the navigation bar, see the difference. right. navigation එක අය පාරක් කියලා දෙන්න කියලා දාලා තියෙනවා. මේ රේඛක් ඇවිත්. alright මේ select වෙලා තියෙනවා වගේ හරි නේද පුතේ? navigation එකේ ප්‍රශ්නේ තමයි මෙන්න මේක. දැන් අපි you කියන වචනේ select කරොත් if you going to search about you word called you can see your කියන වචනේත් you කියන අකුරු තුන select වෙනවා. right. Likewise, it's going to find each and every words that provide in the specific word which we are going to search. Right. We'll practice කරනානේ. Okay. Right, very good. In navigation pane I will teach you again. Right. If you wish to find some words or replace them with new words, simply you can use this find and replace option that available under the home tab. Okay. So then once you click on the find tab, you will take this navigation bar. You will remove this one. Once you click on the find option, you will take this navigation bar. Right. I already selected word is document. So now it's going to see you or the provide you the word that is find through this document. Right. මෙයා හොයාගත්ත word එක document කියන වචනේ එයා පෙන්නලා තියෙනවා. බලන්න. results වලට ගියපුවාම you can see the word which in the with the sentence. Sentence එකත් එක්ක බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. මෙතන ගියොත් move වෙන්න පුළුවන් one by one. Right. ඔයාලට පේන ඇති මගේ cursor එක move වෙන තැන මේ ඉන්නේ navigation pane එකේ you can move one by one to find that word. Right. Otherwise, once you click on the page, you can see that results will showing as the pages. Pages ගොඩක් තිබ්බනම් ඒ වචනේ තියෙන pages ටික මෙතන appear වෙනවා. A few add headings, right? It will provide the answer within the headings, under the headings, right? So currently we not having any heading. So results provide us 5 of 5. අපි පහම මේ වෙනකොට move කරලා ඉවරයි කියලා පෙන්නන්න තමයි 5 of 5 කියලා පෙන්නන්නේ. If we go back, you can see results will be changed into 4 of 5, 3 of 5, 2 of 5 and 1 of 5. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි අන්තිම වචනේත් හොයාගෙන තියෙනවා. මේ විදිහට වචන ටික හොයන්න පුළුවන්. Then if I add word called you, what happen? It's going to select each and every word 3 letters which show the word called you. Your කියන එකත් select වෙලා layout එකෙත් you එක select වෙලා, right? If I move into result, you can see specific word you, right? It's correct ne? එකක් වැරදි. මෙතන you එක වැරදි. Like you can move one by one, right? Is it okay? Find option එක හරි නේද? Right. Then next one. Let's try with the find and replace option. Once you click on the replace option, you will take or get this kind of dialog box or a small window. Here you can see find option is also there and replace option is also there. Go to option is also there. 3 options are available under find and replace option. මෙයාගෙන් අපි කරන්නේ find එකෙන් අපිට පුළුවන් වචනයක් හොයන්න. Right? And with the support of replace, you can find word as well as replace it. අපි මේ feature එක use කරන්නේ පුතේ ලොකු document එකක් හදද්දී හිතන්න අපිට තියෙන අපේ නම type කරන්න. full name එක type කරන්න තියෙනවා හිතන්න මම තමයි වචන දෙකක් type කරන්න ඕනි document එකේ ස්ථාන කිහිපයක. If we had to type our name in several places in your document, it's very hard. Right? That kind of situations, you can use short word. Like if I want to replace or the type my name as Hashini Disanayak in several spaces in this document. Right? මම ඒ වෙනුවට මම type කරනවා HD කියලා. right? මට මෙතනත් මගේ නම type වෙන්න ඕනි. I will keep my name as HD. Right? Then this one. මෙතනත් මම මගේ නම එන්න ඕනි. Just imagine, right? Right? If I think here also I want to type name as Hashini Disanayak, I will keep name as HD. Right? හරි ලේසියෙන් ඔයාලට type කරන් යන්න පුළුවන්. Finally, you can come to the replace option. Right? Then it's asked about find what. I want to find HD, word called HD. Then I want to replace it with this word. Then you can click on find option, right? HD. First is find. HD is available. It's correct. HD කියනකොට තමයි අපිට replace කරන්න ඕනේ. You can click on replace. Then find next. It will you navigate to the next word. Yes, it's also correct. Then you can click on replace. Then it's going to automatically move into other word. You can click on the replace option. Right. We were finished searching the document. If you finish, you can click on OK. Is it okay? තේරුණාද ඒ කරපු වැඩේ? Students, is it okay? All right. You can try that one.
Yes, madam.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Right. Then the next one, it's the final one that I want to teach you under this first lesson. Right? අපි එකත් කතා කරලා lesson එක wind up කරමු. So go to option is there. Right? Then here you will navigate to page by page, section by section, line by line, bookmark, comment, footnote. Likewise, it's providing several options where you want to go. Right? Final replace box එක ගත්තේ පුතේ මෙන්න මෙතනින්. මෙතන replace කියන option එක under the home tab, you can find and replace commands under the editing group. Here you can click on මගේ cursor එක පේනව නේද? මෙන්න මේ තියෙන my cursor එක. හරි? මේ cursor එක මෙන්න මෙතන. Right. I think now it's clear. මෙන්න මෙතනින් අපිට පුළුවන් replace කියන option එක උඩ click කරන්න. Then you can take this dialog box. Right. It's going to find some word and replace them with our new word. තේරුණා නේද මේ වැඩේ වෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා? All right, okay. So then next one, go to option is available under this find and replace option. Once you click on the go to option, you will move with the page number. If you want to move into the second page, you can click on that. You will navigate to the page number 2. Once you click on the section, still we didn't practice with the sections and the lines and the bookmarks like this, right? So one thing is, you know about the pages. Once you click on the page, you will navigate into the page. If I want to move into the page 1, you will come back to the page 1. Easily you can move with the large document with the support of this feature. ලොකු document එකක scroll කර කර ඉන්න නැතුව simply you can go to the find and replace option, then click on go to, select the section where you want to go, and then if it is a page number, enter your page number here and click on go to option. Right. Okay, so these are the things that I want to know to read you under this session. Right. Was it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
All right. I think you got the foundation for the word, right? From next week onwards, you will learn by the Wahab sir, right? So then you can continue the rest of the lessons with him. So then let's meet again in one day. Right? Until then, good night everyone and stay safe. Right? If you have any doubts, now you can ask before wind up the session. මොනවාරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. And please practice. Right? Machines නෑ කියපු අය පුතේ කොහොම හරි machine එකක් හොයාගෙන try එකක් දෙන්න. practice කරන්න. අද මම මේ lesson එක කරන්නේ වහප් sir. right? සර්ට අද කරන්න වෙන්නේ නැති නිසා තමයි මේ session එක මම මේ දවස් දෙකේ කරේ. ඊළඟ sessions ටික සර් කරයි. මන්ද කරන්න ඕනේ දිගට. right. Okay. doesn't matter. So will teach you well, right? Right. Mahudon. Right, okay. සරල දෙන්න තුගන්නයි අපි තුන්දෙනා තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ lessons ටික cover කරන්නේ. Right. සරල තුගන්නයි ඔයගොල්ලොන්ට අපි ආයි meet වෙමු දවසක. Right. Okay. Then ඔයාලගේ e-commerce part එකේදී ඊළඟට computer security session එකේදී සහ cloud computing part එකේදී අපි ආපහු meet වෙයි. Right. ඒ අතරමැද lessons આવුත් අපි කරමු. Then follow the lessons as we learn, teach you, right? So then, thank you very much for joining to the lesson and actively participate you all. Thank you very much. You all support me to conduct the session, very fruitful one. So learn those things, practice them, and come to the next session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam.
Right, okay.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Good
Thank
night.
you, ma'am. Good night.
Good night.